So here are the ingredients that you need. You need to get a wrap, any kind of wrap that you like. Use any kind of salad that you prefer. I have here sliced mushroom, sliced tomato, sliced onion, sliced garlic, a little bit of cilantro, sliced tomato for the wrap, some carrots, and sliced celery. Now you're probably wondering how you're gonna make it as a vegan chicken wrap. Now this might be interesting for some of you who have never experienced being a vegan. This is one of the products, or vegan products, called the turkey. It's a plant-based chicken. This is actually how it looked like. I've already sliced this. The other ingredients that you need, you're gonna be needing some salt, balsamic vinegar, organic extra virgin olive oil. If you can use all organic, that will be better. Paprika, coriander, cayenne, oregano, and cumin. Champ, where are you? Shooting time. Okay, and you turn on the stove into a medium heat, and you pour a little bit of extra organic extra virgin olive oil, and saute the garlic until it's light brown. After sauteing the garlic, you separate it out, and then start sauteing the onions. You can use any kind of onions, red, white, it doesn't matter. Take out the sauteed garlic and to take out the sauteed onions. In this oil, you already have the flavored garlic and onions. And you're going to drop the vegan chicken. Okay, and then fry the vegan chicken. Here a little bit. Cover it for a minute. Once the vegan chicken is slightly cooked, we're going to drop the sliced celery and sliced carrots. And stir it. And you can stir it at about medium or a little higher heat. Pour a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, start changing the heat to medium heat. And you start placing the rest of the ingredients, mushroom, tomatoes, and you can place back the sauteed onions and the sauteed garlic. Put it again on a high heat and mix it all together. So now you have the tomatoes, mushrooms, vegan chicken, sauteed garlic, sauteed onion, soy sauce, and we're going to place some more flavoring on it. Place a little bit of organic cumin, coriander, oregano, paprika, and a little bit of cayenne. But if you want it more spicy, then put a little bit more of cayenne. A little bit of salt, and a little bit of cilantro. Cilantro is optional. John, where are you? Put it back again to a lower heat and cover it for a few minutes. This flavoring is optional, you don't have to, but I usually place a little bit of miso to flavor more of the food. Take a spoon of miso, pour a little bit of water on it, and microwave it for less than a minute. So this just came out from the microwave, and you just stir it and make it like a liquid shape. Back to our wok on fire on a low heat. We're gonna put it back to the medium heat again. And going to stir the fake chicken mixed with carrots, mushroom, sauteed garlic, sauteed onion, and herbs. And you drop miso on it. You start stirring it again. Put it back to a low heat and cover it again. Turn on the oven for about 350 degrees. Okay, and now we're going to heat up the wrap. Place the wrap inside. Wash it carefully. Whilst doing that, you dress the salad. Organic extra virgin olive oil. Pour balsamic vinegar on it. Just a little bit. And pour a little bit of salt. You're going to heat up the wrap for just a minute and take it out. Make sure that it's not burnt, it's not crunchy. Pay attention. As you can see, it's still soft and warm. As a vegan, we usually use the veganese. It's the substitute for mayonnaise, veganese. And you just spread it out around. And this is also the stone ground mustard. You can use any kind of mustard. If you have a vegan cheese, that's actually good. And you can also add some spinach, cucumber. Okay, I just also added the sliced tomato and the prepared salad that we make earlier. The next thing we're gonna do is to spread the prepared vegan chicken that we make. Okay, we're getting close, so we're going to start wrapping the cooked vegan chicken with salad, sliced tomato, veganese, some mustard. Are you excited? Yay, it's done. It's so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your patience with me. Hopefully you try this at home. It's very simple. You can also customize it however you want it. Just hopefully you can try cooking some vegan food at home. Yummy, yummy. It's super delicious.